Hello, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you've never been here before. Today I'm doing an unboxing for FGNormal, and this is the second time I've got three fingers up, but it's the second time I'm doing it, and let me explain why. So FGNormal sent me a package just before Christmas to unbox for you guys. And I did the unboxing, I was editing the video, I hadn't posted it to YouTube yet, and then I received a second package and it was identical. So it confused me, and then I contacted them and I was like, what should I do with this? Would you guys be okay if I gave away the diamond paintings? And they said yes. So in this video, I'm going to be giving away the diamond paintings that I'm going to show you. Now, having said that, I'm going to give you the information on how to enter the giveaway later on in the video, but for now, we should just get right into this and I will show you what they sent. Okay, so the first diamond painting I have to show you is a Christmas themed diamond painting. So you'll have a painting for next year already lined up, or there also is an event called Christmas in July. But honestly, it's diamond painting. You can do it whenever you want to. If you want to do it now, do it now. But let's just quickly show you this. So you get just a plain beginner kit with your pen, boat, and wax. Put that off to the side. And I will put these drills off to the side as well. And we'll look at those later. So let's just look at this painting because it's really cute. And again, I know this because this is the second time that I've unboxed this. It is adorable, you guys. So it's a little gnome. This one is called a Christmas Goblin, and it's $5.98 US. I'm going to give you all the pricing in US dollars. So it's a Christmas Goblin. It's got a present in his lap. He's wearing a hat with some reindeer horns with decorations hanging off of it. And then he's holding a glass of what looks like some Christmas cheer. Not sure if it's wine, maybe it's juice, who knows? I don't know. Don't know the backstory, but it looks like wine to me. It says Merry Christmas at the bottom. It's a 30 by 40 round and it has 22 colors. Just gonna zoom you in here and see if I can get you close enough. To look at the drill field. The drill field actually, I'm going to have to lift it a little bit. The drill field actually looks pretty good. There is some confetti in through places like in here, in through the gnome and his clothing. There is definitely some confetti, but there's also large amounts of just the white. And definitely some blocking. Looks like in the wording of Merry Christmas, there's some confetti too. And I do find with the gnome pictures, there usually is some confetti. Some people like it, some people don't. I'm just letting you know that it's there. The drill field itself, though, does look pretty clear. I think it will be really easy to see this one. So one thing that I do when I remember to do this is a measurement, because this says it's a 30 by 40. It is actually about 24 3/4. And this is very normal for the budget friendly sites. Generally, it's the canvas size itself that they're talking about. This one actually is just shy of 30, even just from edge to edge on the canvas. But usually when they're giving you the dimensions, it does include the border on the picture. So the actual picture size itself, again, is 24 3/4 by, let's just put this up here. So this one looks like 34 3/4 long. Just to let you know. Now let's take a look at these drills. Super cute picture. I'm looking forward to doing it. I will probably wait until next Christmas, but you never know, I might do it before. We'll see what I feel like. So let us open these up. Looks like there's a loose drill in there. Okay, so looking at the drills, that they are individually bagged, which I like it when they do that. For me, it might be different than for you. Some people don't like kitting up their diamond paintings. Some people are so quick at diamond paintings that kitting up would seem like a waste of time. I like the baggies because when I'm done my diamond painting, I have baggies to put the extra diamonds back in, because I don't have an extra drill storage system yet. And I'm just going to do a quick look at these. So we've got a nice, pretty lilac color. We have, this looks like that looks like a black or a very dark brown. Oh, you know what? I'm going to bring you down a bit more. And so we've got the purple and black or brown. You guys, my eyes are getting worse. It is so weird. I started wearing readers and I pretty much can't see anything if I'm not wearing them when I'm trying to read something. And now it seems like they're not strong enough. I think I need a stronger pair, but I can't tell. I honestly can't tell if that's black or, well, let's just take a look at the legend. Number 2 is, yeah, this is black. Okay. So the DMC codes are on the legend on the canvas, and I will show you that after as well. So let's just go through these. So we've got kind of a red, more of a red. This is more like a deep red. We've got some tan color, a nice pretty light blue, a pink, and then we've got some, this is almost like a orangey red to me. That's what it looks like. And we've got some green and then some actual orange and then some different shades of orange. This almost looks like a little bit of a mustard yellow, forest green. The drills look really good. This is a brown. This is like a burgundy red kind of. We've got a lighter green, like a grass green. Some more like rusty colors, pinks, more rust color, a pinky, peachy pink, more like a true purple or like a royal purple, blue, whatever you call that. And then 2 bags of what they call white, which I am pretty sure is not actual white. Yeah, it's 38.65, so it's not a true white, but it's pretty white. To me, it looks white. It just looks a little with a hint of cream in it. So those are the drills, and I'm just going to stick those off to the side, and we'll look at this one more time. I'm going to show you the legend just so you can take a peek at the different symbols used. And again, like I said, there's only 22 colors on this one. So it is a lettering system. They're all letters. There is no symbols. And the DMC codes, like I said, they are on the legend. So that is the first one. And again, when I picked this one for them to send me, I just thought it was so cute. It was in the theme of Christmas. So I'm just going to put this stuff away and then we'll look at the next item. Next item is a partial. This one, let me just get it opened, is not Christmas themed, but it's adorable. And I'm just going to roll this one up too, and I will show you, or I don't really need to show you, it's the same basic kit. So you've got your pen, your wax, and your boat. And I mean, this is all you need to get started. And there are 2 colors on this canvas, but this is called, what did they call it? Black and white. Okay, I think this is what I'm calling it because I think I remember the name that they called it was like really weird. But this is a black and white yin yang cats. That's what I'm calling it because it looks like a yin yang symbol and it's cats. I thought this was so cute. It is only a partial, so all you are drilling is the cats. This background is kind of like a light or a, well, no, kind of like a purpley sort of color, and you're not placing any drills there. So again, it is just the center portion, which is not bad. This one doesn't say on here what the size is, but on the website it said this was a 30 by 30. Again, a partial, and it was $4.78 US. So totally adorable. And I'm just going to bring it up just to show you. I mean, there's 2 colors. It's really not hard. It's very easy to tell if it's a black symbol or a white symbol. So not much to it, and really I'm not worried about whether or not the drill field is clear because I can see whether it's black or white. But this is totally adorable. I think it's going to look so cute when it's done. I am not going to show you the drills, just simply because, again, 2 colors. It looks like there are... It looks like there are 2 packages of each, is what I'm seeing. Yeah. 2 packages of white, 2 packages of black. And this white looks a little more white, so this could be a true white, but there are no DMC codes on this one. It's just 1 and 2. And the symbol is number 1 and number 2. It's like really straightforward. So I think this will be a quick one and a fun one to do. And that is the second painting that I will be sending to the winner of the giveaway. Okay, so now this third item that they sent is not included in the giveaway, and the simple reason for that is the weight and the dimensions. I will make the shipping not practical for me. But I do want to show it to you because I love it, and I am actually using it on another one of my diamond paintings right now, and the one that I unboxed earlier, and I'm enjoying using the system. So I will show it to you. It is a 32 grid storage case, and it's the Tic Tac style, but square. So you've got the pop top lids that open and shut, and they actually are very secure, and then everything just kind of lines up in here. You also get labels that you can put it on. So I'm just going to bring over the one that I'm currently using. Whoops, and I have to be careful. I just about knocked this over because I'm currently in the middle of diamond painting and using this one. Where is... Oh, I just stuck it in the wrong spot. So how I do the numbering on this one is I just number it 1 to 32. I don't worry about the DMC codes, and that way it's just quick, it's done, and I literally just can load them up in the order that they're supposed to be. What I really like about these is that they are not like Tic Tac. I don't like Tic Tac, the small wide ones. I have no interest in even trying them. I just, and I could try them and love them. I don't know, but I don't think that I would even try them. What interested me about this is that they are wide, they're square, and they have really good pop top lids. It's easy to get my drills in and out of them. This is a little narrow, but I haven't had a problem getting my drills back into it at all. And when you're filling it, this whole lid just comes off. So like when you're first kitting up, you just take that off and fill them. Really, really simple. I am really enjoying using these. I didn't think I would, but I am pleasantly surprised. So really, really like that. I'm gonna just put this back off to the side so I don't like mess everything up that I'm working on. But they hold quite a bit. There wasn't one that I... Uh-oh, I knocked one over. Jeez. I'm going to there we go. I'm in a panic. Like I'm going to lose all my drills that are on top there. So I'm working on a 30 by 40 painting. None of the containers even remotely were filled up, so there was definitely room in them. That's always a thing I think of with the Tic Tac containers, is they just don't hold that much. But I am... like I said, really, really liking this one. So yeah. And again, this one is not included in the giveaway just because of the size and weight. It's actually pretty, like it has some good weight to it. But yeah, so that's the 32 grid. And I don't know if I told you the price. It is $14.37 US, so not a bad price. Now, I don't know what you guys pay. I think I've seen that you guys can get some pretty awesome storage systems for fairly reasonable prices. prices. Up here in Canada, a 32 grid storage solution would be like probably $30 or more. So $14.37 to me seems like a really good deal. And I'm not sure wherever you are in the world, I don't know what that would equate to where you are, but again, like I thought this was a really reasonably priced system, and it holds what I need it to hold. All right, so let's get into the details of the giveaway. I'm going to be sending these 2 paintings, and I'm going to check around and see if I have some other little goodies I can throw in that will be a little bit of a surprise for you guys. But I think these 2 paintings are completely cute, and am so happy to be sending them to you guys. Now, contest is open to US and Canada only, and the reason for that, I do apologize to anybody watching from overseas. It's just because of the shipping, you guys. The shipping is crazy, crazy expensive. It's super expensive to ship just even within Canada, and then it gets even more stupid expensive to send it to the States, and I just can't even wrap my head around the cost of shipping overseas. So unfortunately for this giveaway, this one will be US and Canada only. Stay tuned for the future though, because I fully intend on doing more giveaways that are inclusive of everywhere. How do you enter? First things first, thumbs up on the video. That would be greatly appreciated. And also, if you have not already subscribe to the video. And then I'm going to have a Google form down in the description. And the reason for that is just to collect your email address so I can contact you, and your name. When I contact you, if you are the winner, that is when I will collect your address. So it was the only way I could think of for me to contact you and get your address without you having to post your information in some other way. So fill out the Google form. So the last thing I'm going to get you to do is down in the comments, just leave me a comment using the term 2023 goal. I just want to hear one goal you have for 2023. And notice I call them goals, not resolutions, because I think goals, I don't know, just mentally for me, the word goal works better than resolution. Usually if I call it a resolution within the first couple of weeks, I'm done with it. If it's a goal, it's something I can continue to work throughout the year. And if I screw up, I can still work towards it. So pretty simple to enter. Again, US and Canada only. I just need you to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and fill out the Google form. And then in the comments down below, leave me that one comment or one goal that you're working on in 2023. And use the term 2023 goal, just so that the random comment picker can pick up on your entry. And I'm going to draw the winner 1 week after I post this video. So I haven't picked a date that I'm going to be putting this video up live on YouTube yet. So I'm just going to leave it kind of open, and whatever day it goes up, the same day of the next week is the day that I will draw the winner. And it will be by random picker. I'll be using a random picker to draw the winner. So I also want to give a big shout out and great big thank you to FGNormal for not only sending me this product to share with you guys and show you guys, but also accidentally sending it to me twice so that I could give it away to you guys. So thank you, FGNormal. We appreciate. That's going to do it for me, you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me while I unbox this. And I hope you guys all enter, and I wish you guys all the best of luck. And as usual, go grab somebody you love, give them a great big hug, and I will catch you guys all in the next video. Bye.